Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mommy Mearest from Friday Night Funkin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the face with a diagonal line down, and then a small line out at the bottom. Now move over to the left side. At around the same height, draw a line out and down. Then connect them at the bottom with a curved line. Let's draw the eyes next. Start with a diagonal line on the right, and then close it off with a curved line underneath. Do the same thing for the other eye, but make it a bit larger. Next, draw the eyebrows above each eye like this. And then add a small line above each eye. Next, we're going to draw some detailed shading lines in between the eyes like this. Let's draw the lips now. Starting from under the left eye, draw a curve down into the right. Now draw the top of the lips. And then add a small curve on the left. Next, draw the inside of the lips here. Let's finish off the hairline now. Draw a curve on the left side above the eyebrow. Then 2 more U-curves over to the right. And then 1 more line down to close off the face. Let's draw the ear to the left now. Start with a pointed shape upwards here. And then a line up on the right. Underneath, draw a U shape for the earring. Then close off the ear with a line across. And lastly, add a small triangle inside. Now let's draw a zigzag piece of hair coming down between the face and the earring like this. Let's draw the top of her hair now. On the top left, draw a pointed piece of hair up. Now draw a larger piece to the right. And then 1 more smaller piece here. Next, draw a bent line down. Add a line out to the right and a V shape underneath. Now add one more curve in at the end. Now come back up to the top and draw one more curved section of hair out to the left like this. Next, draw the piece of hair coming out from the top of her head with two curves. And then the same underneath to close it off. Before we finish the hair, let's work on the body next. Underneath the chin, draw a small line down for the neck. Next, draw the necklace with two curves like this. Now from the right side of the necklace, draw a line and curve it back in. And then follow that same curve on the inside. Then draw a U-shaped curve to the left. Now let's draw the left arm holding the microphone. Draw a curve across on the left for the shoulder. Then a diagonal line down and in. Now to the right, draw the inside of the arm down like this. Then finish off the outside of the arm with a bent line. Now draw a curve at the bottom to close off the sleeve. Now add two more curved lines for her bracelets. Next, let's draw the hand like this. Now at the end, draw a circle for the microphone. And add some detailed curved lines inside. Lastly, draw a square shape on the left of her hand for the end of the microphone. Let's draw the side of her body now. Draw a small line in here. Then a line down and curve it back towards her wrist for her hip. Now draw the inside of her jacket, starting from the necklace, follow that same curve down to the wrist. Then draw the collar of her jacket with a zigzag line down like this. Next, draw the other side of her jacket with a thin rectangle. Let's draw her other arm now. Starting from the right side of her cheek, draw a line down and out, and then curve it back in at the end. Now draw a line inwards here. And then 2 diagonal lines down. Next, draw her 4 fingers with long pointed nails at the end of each. Then 2 curves here to close off the sleeve and for her bracelets. Let's finish off her hair now. On the right side, draw a long curve down. And then 2 more pointed pieces outwards. Following that same curve, draw a line in between her arm and side. Now hop over to the left side and finish off her hair like this. Then draw a piece of hair in between her arm and side here. Next, let's draw her belly button with a small triangle. And then a short line down under it. Let's draw the left leg next. Draw a short line here. Now leave a gap and then continue the line down past the microphone. Next, from the hand, draw the other side of the leg down like this. Now draw the heel of her boot. And then finish off her foot like this. Now from her finger, draw a curved line inwards. Then step in and draw another curve down to the leg. Next, draw the other leg in the same way. Now draw 2 curves across the top of her legs here for the bottom of her shorts. Then under it, draw another set of curves for the top of the boots. Lastly, draw a set of diagonal lines here in between her shorts and boots. And that's it for Mommy Mearest. Let's quickly color her in. and done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.